Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear air spring designed for BMW 7 Series, F01, F02, or F04, including hybrids. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Now raise the vehicle and remove the applicable wheel and wheel well liner. Next, remove the rear speaker cover. Also remove the rear speaker and unhook it. Remove the foam underneath the speaker to access the top mount nuts. Now loosen and remove the 3 top mounting nuts from the strut. Disconnect the strut's electrical connection. Remove the airline and check the valve from the OE strut to release air pressure. Prior to inserting the existing airline into the new air strut, you will need to remove the old original equipment airline fitting and discard. Scratches and/or deep cuts in the airline can result in possible leaks. Inspect the airline before insertion. Airline needs to be replaced if damaged. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Loosen and remove the bottom mount bolt. Now you're able to remove the shock from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Verify that the strut has been completely deflated prior to proceeding with the disassembly. Use the provided shock cap tool to remove the top cap from the air spring. Now remove the nut from the shock rod. Remove the air spring from the shock. Remove any existing O-rings and spacers. They will not be reused. Clean the shock body and inspect for any damage around the sealing surface. Surface damage at the piston seal area may cause the unit to leak once assembled. Install the new included O-rings and spacers onto the shock body, seated against the perch. Beginning with a spacer, alternate between spacer and O-ring. Lubricate the O-rings. Place the air spring onto the shock. Carefully guide the shock rod through the piston and isolator mounts. Use caution when installing as to not dislodge the bump stop from the top mount. Next, install the included washer and top nut. Also install the included O-ring into the new top cap. Now lubricate the O-ring. Thread the cap into the top mount and secure using the included top cap tool. Remove the shipping pin from the air fitting. Now carefully hold the piston against the O-rings to create the initial seal. Use an air gun to fill the spring with just enough air to seat the piston over the O-rings. Next, set the alignment of the strut by using a pair of blocks or other means to set the air fitting approximately in line with the control unit near the bottom mount. To start the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications. Start by installing the new air strut into the vehicle. Next, reinstall the bottom mount bolt. Remove the white shipping pin from the air fitting. Now install the airline by pressing the line firmly into the fitting until it is firmly seated. Reconnect the strut's electrical connection and clip into place. Install the 3 top mount nuts from inside the vehicle. After that, reinstall the speaker cavity foam if applicable. Also reinstall the rear speaker and rear speaker cover as well as the wheel well liner. Lastly, reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the BMW 7 Series air spring with a new Arnott Air Spring. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.